Looking for the best digital clamp meters for DIY projects or professional electrical work? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll showcase top-rated clamp meters designed to make your electrical measurements quick, accurate, and easy. Whether you're a seasoned electrician or a weekend warrior, these tools will help you get the job done with confidence. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter is a versatile and compact tool ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a sleek design and lightweight build of only 170 gram, this clamp meter offers exceptional performance across various tasks. It measures AC, DC current up to 100A, voltage from 0.1 MV to 600 volt, and resistance from 0.1 ohm to 20 ohmega, making it suitable for a range of applications. What sets the UNI-T UT210E apart is its true RMS capability, providing accurate readings even for non-sinusoidal waveforms. The device also features a capacitance range of 1 pF to 60 mF, and it includes diode, continuity, and frequency measurements. The easy-to-read digital display, auto-range functionality, and backlight ensure usability in various lighting conditions. Ideal for electrical work, it also includes a non-contact voltage, NCV, detector, and a handy continuity buzzer for quick troubleshooting. Whether for car maintenance, electrical installations, or general testing, this clamp meter is a reliable choice. Second product on our list, Bside ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter. The Bside ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter is a versatile and precise tool for electrical testing. Designed for AC and DC currents up to 100A, it's ideal for both professional and home use. With its compact design, this multimeter offers top-notch functionality in a portable package. This clamp meter supports voltage measurements up to 600 volt and resistance readings up to 60 ohmega. Its capacitance range extends to 6000 F, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The high-precision digital display provides clear and reliable readings every time. Weighing just 137 grams and measuring 179 by 67 by 36 millimeters, the ACM91 is lightweight and easy to carry. Its slim design makes it practical for tight spaces, whether for car diagnostics or household projects. Built with quality in mind, it operates smoothly in temperatures between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. The intuitive controls and durable body ensure hassle-free usage for years to come. The Bside ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter stands out as an excellent choice for any electrical task. Third product on our list, Cretrust HT208 Digital Clamp Meter. The Cretrust HT208 Digital Clamp Meter Pro is a high-performance tool designed for precise electrical testing. With a measuring range of up to 1000 A for current and 1000 V for voltage, it's ideal for both professional and home use. This clamp meter features true RMS technology, providing accurate readings for AC and DC currents. It can also measure resistance, inductance, and capacitance, ensuring versatility for multiple testing scenarios. The digital-only display is clear and easy to read. Weighing just 380 gram, the HT208 is lightweight yet durable, thanks to its ABS material construction. It operates on 3 AAA batteries and includes a backlit screen and flashlight for use in dimly lit environments. Key features like data hold, auto power off, and a low battery indicator add to its practicality. Certified with CE and RoHS, it ensures safe and reliable operation. The Cretrust HT208 combines precision, portability, and durability. Whether for troubleshooting or regular testing, this tool is an excellent choice for electrical measurements. Fourth product on our list, Snakol SK2060 Digital Clamp Meter. The Snakol SK2060 Digital Clamp Meter is a professional tool designed for precise current detection, with a focus on leakage current testing. Weighing only 136 gram, it's lightweight and compact, perfect for both home and professional use. This clamp meter measures AC currents from a sensitive 0.05 milliamperes to 60 A, ensuring high accuracy, especially for detecting microcurrents in electrical systems and home appliances. The clear digital display offers easy-to-read measurements, even in low-light conditions. With dimensions of 170 by 61 by 27 millimeters, the SK2060 is portable and easy to store. It's powered by two AAA batteries, though they're not included, making it ready for use as soon as you have power. The Snakol SK2060 is a reliable choice for precise electrical testing. It operates effectively in temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for a range of environments. The Snakol SK2060 combines precision, ease of use, and portability, making it an essential tool for detecting leakage currents and maintaining electrical safety. Fifth product on our list, Telehill CM02 Digital Clamp Meter. The Telehill CM02 Digital Clamp Meter Pro, a powerful tool designed for precise electrical measurements. With a 6,000 count digital display, it delivers accurate readings for both AC and DC currents, voltages, resistance, and more. This versatile clamp meter supports true RMS technology, ensuring precise measurements even in fluctuating conditions. It handles current up to 1000 A and voltage up to 1000 volt for DC and 750 volt for AC. The NCV detection and live features enhance safety during testing. The CM02 measures resistance up to 60 ohms and capacitance up to 99.9 mF. It also supports frequency and temperature testing, making it a comprehensive tool for various applications. The flashlight and low power indicator add to its user-friendly design. Equipped with auto power off, data hold, and DCA 0 functions, it simplifies operations. The compact, durable design is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. For precision, safety, and versatility, the Telehill CM02 is an exceptional choice. It's a must-have for electrical projects and troubleshooting tasks.